Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So after ages, I am making a palmistry video again. So your girl in between learned astrology, tarot, and now I just want to make palmistry content again because recently I started learning palmistry again. So I want to do it again. You guys have seen me making palmistry videos in 2016, 2017. Now I'm resuming it in 2021, which feels like coming back home, and it is bringing in so much of nostalgia to me already, and I'm so freaking happy to be doing this again. So today's topic is going to be how to see separation in relationship. Now relationships have been a very major concern. Even when I do tarot readings, even when I do astrology readings, I mean, people just come to me and they are so freaking afraid of whether their partner will cheat on them, whether their partner will leave them, or if something is going to happen to their partner. Basically, the future of their relationship, right? So today we are going to see how do we see the indications of separation in relationship in your palm. So basically you have to see this in your palm, and let me just start telling you. So you guys, this is your Mercury mount here, and the lines on this area are your relationship lines, right? So the lines that you have, like these or whatever, you must be having some lines here. Some people have two lines, some people have three, some people have one. So these lines are your relationship lines. Now there are different type of lines which basically show that you can have a separation in your relationship, in your marriage, whatever it is, your romantic relationships, and your marriage also. So your affairs and marriage, everything is going to be seen by these lines here on this Mercury mount, all right? Affair and marriage both. So now when your relationship line, suppose it is going like this and then it intersects with your heart line, sometimes it also crosses your heart line, that is your first indication of separation in relationship. Now even if you're having an affair and this, suppose you're having an affair, now see, we will divide this into two. So this will be roughly 25. So these lines here will be below 25 years of age. So the affairs or the relationship or the marriage that you're having below 25, and these about 25. So roughly you can estimate the age. But if your relationship line basically intersects your heart line, or even if it does not intersect, even if it just goes and meets your heart line, then that is one indication that you are going to have a separation in your relationship. All right, so that is the first indication. The second one could be, let me just make it somewhere here. So the second indication could be, suppose this is your relationship line and you have a mole on it, or you have a mark on it, red, black. So this kind of a mole or a mark on your relationship line also shows danger to the relationship, also predicts breakup, separation, sometimes your partner dying or whatever it is. All right, it just shows that the relationship is going to break and you guys will be separated, and the reason of separation could be anything. Now one more indication could be when your relationship line intersects with your heart line like this. So this is your relationship line, this is your heart line, and both kind of merge and become one. So that is your third indication. All right, so the first one is that your relationship line goes and intersects or touches, it basically bends down. So your relationship just bends down and touch your heart line, or it intersects your heart line, then this is one indication. The second is that your relationship line is having a mark on it. It could be a black mark, it could be a red one, or it could be any color. All right, sometimes people have red, sometimes they have black. It just shows that there will be a separation in the relationship because of any reason. Then the third one is that when your relationship line merges with your heart line like this. And all right, there is something more to it. So it merges with it and then a mesh kind of a structure is formed. All right, so mesh kind of structure gets formed. So your relationship line merging with your heart line and a mesh like of structure gets formed, then that is also one indication. All right. And then one more indication is that when your relationship line has a star formation on it. All right. So something like this. My drawing is really bad. Please adjust. So when your relationship line is having a star on it, so even that is a very bad indication. It also shows that there will be a separation. All right. So we've discussed 4 indications by now. So one, when your relationship line bends, intersects with the heart line, or it touches the heart line. Second is when you develop a mark like a mole or a spot of red color or black color on your relationship line. And the third could be when you develop this mesh-like structure and your relationship line merges with your heart line. And then one more indication is when your relationship line has a star formation in it. So your relationship line is going like this, and then it has a star formed. All right, this one. So these are the 4 indications. If you have your relationship lines and these indications are present, then you got to be careful, because it definitely shows a separation, and the reason can be anything. It could be your partner cheating, it could be your partner leaving the world, or mutual separation, or whatever. All right. Sometimes when you have bad indications but your partner has a good indication, or vice versa, then the relationship can sustain. All right. For that, we have to analyze both the hands for compatibility. Even in astrology, we say that if one person is having a very bad kundali for marriage and the other person is having a comparatively better one, then the marriage sustains, the bond sustains. But if both have bad, then it's a short confirmation. All right. So yeah, that was my palmistry video again on this channel after a very long time. I'm very happy to make this one, and I hope that you guys enjoyed as much. And let me know which topic do you want me to cover next time, and I will see you soon. You guys take care. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to have a personal reading for tarot, astrology, or anything, you can just let me know. My links are in the description. And yeah, I'll speak to you very soon. Bye.